Hi, my name is Yacht. I've explored many countries and lived in Australia, France, Florida, and Hawaii. Follow me as I explore the world on my quest to find a special place that my family will one day call home. So, first few hours in Portugal, made it to Nazare. You can see behind me here. As you can see, I'm quite cold, and there's no one here. But had to check it out. It's the furthest that I was plan on going north, and here I am. And I'll probably use the bathroom and see if I can find a Pastel to nata. And I'll head back down south, a little further south. But anyway, here's the view. Well, this is sunny. All right. Well, on to find the food. All right, well, I managed to find a pastel de nata. You guys can see that there. And I'll give it a try. First bite. Quite creamy, custardy, sweet, nice flaky crust. Kind of like a nice croissant. It would have been really good if it was warm, but not bad. I'll finish this off and head on out. All right, so I finally made it to Sao Martinho de Porto, place I've been dreaming about. It lives up to the hype. It is absolutely gorgeous. See that? Man, sand dunes over to Little Porto, where the water comes in into the bay. Man, this is amazing. It's warm, got my jacket open, a little windy, but first impressions, this is nice, it's really nice. All right, we mosey on. I made it to the top of the Mirador. Can't even talk, I'm so tired going up these stairs. But anyway, I made it to the top here at Sao Martinho de Porto. They have this area here blocked off where I usually see people going up to the top, but yeah, I don't want to pay a fine, so this is as far as I go today. But look at that view, and now I head up over there, see if I can get a better shot with the camera. Quite windy. What a gorgeous view. And I head over there tomorrow, Nazare de Porto. I'm excited. Quaint little town, but it has something that I'm looking for. That big old sand dune. But that's tomorrow. Today we'll enjoy the view of Sao Martinho de Porto.